Hello everybody, carrying on. That's a nice oak tree, nice shape to it. And do you remember under that oak tree was daffodils, long gone now. These are all oak trees here, look. All little miniature ones. Well, I say miniature ones. They're some of them are about 4 to 5 meters high. Oh, there's the yellow willow, but it's green at the moment, which is fine. Look at the different colours. This is hazel. You see how the lime green and then going darker green as the leaves are older. I've been looking for big cat prints, but there aren't any. But never mind. Still quite muddy, and I didn't wear my wellies, I mean my trainers, so I'm trying to stay out the mud. We got some nice new gates here. Right then, Obi, which way are we going? Down there, and up there is back to the car. If I can open the gates, which I can. Where's he going to go? Oh, in a totally different way altogether. Well, he wants to go that way because there's more rabbits down there. So let's go see if there's any rabbits. More mud. I don't think there's any rabbits, maybe. Lovely. How lovely is this, really? I can hear the wind, but it's quite sheltered down here, so it's really nice. Nice to be out of the wind for a change. Where's he going? He's got the scent of something. Obi! Here he comes. Good boy. There's something down there, look, isn't there, that he's after. Can't see what it is. Definitely got the scent of something. Obi! Let's just call him back because he's going a bit too far away from my liking. I like him to stay in sight. Obi! There he is. There he is, never far. Oh, look at that. Look at that bark. Is that beautiful? Aren't the woods lovely when they're in the leaf? When they're in full leaf? You haven't been down here for ages because obviously doing all walks on the moors and filming and doing that sort of thing. But I will say, though it's dry at the moment, it is cold. I think it's about 12 or 13 centigrade. It really is cold. It's not very warm. I'm in a coat because it's cold. I would say this is prime beast of bobmen or big cat country, but it's not. It's far too public. Far too public. There's not even much in the way of deer in here because it's so public. Very well used woodland. Oh, look, children made a den. I love to see that. I love to see that children have been playing in the woods because it's good for them. It's good for them to be out. It's good for them to create stuff. It really is. Better than them being on computers and phones and silly things like that. Not good for them. Anyway, hope you like that. Let me just get to around here, show you how dark it is. Look at that. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.